Hi, I'm Andy, a broadcaster from CA Channel. Thank you for taking the time to join us for the latest news updates. Let's start our news bulletin right now. Breaking news: chaos unleashed in Atlanta as 3 police officers face gunfire. Amidst the bustling streets of Atlanta, chaos ensued as the tranquility of the evening was shattered by the jarring echoes of gunfire. 3 valiant guardians of the law found themselves in the line of fire during a routine response to a distress call. Details emerge from the fray, revealing a harrowing encounter with an armed suspect whose identity remains veiled in the shadows of anonymity. Clad with a deadly arsenal comprising both a handgun and a knife, the assailant brazenly confronted the officers, igniting a brief yet intense exchange of gunfire. In the aftermath of the skirmish, the assailant lay lifeless, vanquished by the relentless valor of the officers. Despite sustaining injuries in the line of duty, the guardians of peace were swiftly transported to the sanctuary of Grady Hospital, their resilience evident as they remained alert and conscious. Within the halls of the medical facility, the valorous trio, comprising seasoned veterans and a recent addition to the force, received urgent medical attention. Surgeons labored tirelessly to mend the wounds inflicted upon the defenders of justice, ensuring their path to recovery. As the investigation delves deeper into the events that transpire, the community stands united in solidarity, extending their heartfelt support to the injured officers and their families. Atlanta's mayor, Andre Dickens, echoed the sentiments of the city, expressing gratitude to the medical staff and pledging full cooperation in the ongoing probe. In the face of adversity, the resolve of Atlanta's finest remains unyielding, a testament to their unwavering dedication to safeguarding the city and its inhabitants. Thank you for watching our news bulletin. I'm Andy from CA Channel. We look forward to seeing you in our next news bulletins. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any news. Have a great day.